Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove wrinkles and get rid of fine lines, get firm skin. It's better than Botox and any kind of other remedy. This remedy works 100%. It's super effective. All you need to do is apply it at night before you sleep, and in the next morning you will wake up without wrinkles, with very young skin. Even if you are 70 years old and your skin is dull and has wrinkles and fine lines, this remedy will work for you 100%. It removes wrinkles and fine lines naturally without any side effects, with very simple ingredients at home. Just very simple ingredients, and you will be prepared this remedy and you apply it on your face and your hands in any place that you do have wrinkles and fine lines, and you will get rid of it naturally. But before we start out, my friends, if it's the first time you see my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new video you will be notified to watch it, and also like that video. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 2 capsules of vitamin E, and vitamin E known for its beneficial for skin and hair. It's super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines and get you young looking skin. So we need 2 capsules of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so with a pair of scissors and place the vitamin E in a clean mixing bowl. We need 1 lemon, and lemon high in vitamin C and a lot of minerals, and it's super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines. We need 1 lemon. We need a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil, and this oil, my friends, removes the wrinkles and fine lines and get your skin very moisturized up to more than up to 5 times, and it's super effective, super helpful. And all you need to do is add just 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. Now my friends, mix well all the ingredients. Once you mix and combine all the ingredients together, our magical remedy is ready. Store it in the fridge or in room temperature. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely, and then go to sleep. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines and get you young looking skin. 20 years natural, 20 years old natural skin, and very young skin naturally, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.